principals, faculty, and fellow graduates, it is truly an honor to speak on behalf of my fellow graduates as I pay tribute to my beloved parents and to all the parents who have supported us since the beginning of our journey. I remember the time I was looking for a school close to home. My mom found St. Mary's School, and when I first saw it, I was impressed. Amid all the surrounding houses, there's this one building that stood out, and somehow, it already felt like home. And something about it just felt right. The moment I stepped inside, I instantly fell in love. I told my mom, this is where I want to study. And I'm so thankful that both my mama and papa agreed. Without their support, I wouldn't have a chance to study in a school where I learned so much, met people who changed my life, and discovered my opportunities that helped shape who I am today. I wouldn't have experienced leadership roles, received awards, trophies, and certificates. But more than anything, I wouldn't have the strength to keep going without their love and support. To my papa, thank you for waking up early every single day to prepare my food, even if I'm not really a breakfast person. You always prepare extra just to make sure I never return hungry. Thank you for bringing me to school and picking me up, rain or shine, even though you don't have work. Your quiet support means a lot to me. To my mama, thank you for every sleepless night and every moment of tireless effort, working hard not just for today, but for my future. Thank you for doing my makeup, fixing my outfits, for my cosplay, prom, and now my graduation. You always make me feel confident and loved.